Hi students, so this poem was published back in 2015 and it stands as a metaphor about bullying. In the poem we have two characters being discussed, the sun and the shadow people. And the relationship between these two characters is antagonistic because the shadow people bully the sun for his light. So as Harry Baker delivers his performance, you're going to hear a good use of personification where the sun acts like a person and has sensitive emotions that are being targeted by the shadow people. Consequently, his light dims from the bullying and he's victimized for his light. He feels like he's uncool, he doesn't fit in, and typically when we have bullies picking on victims, they usually do so because A, they don't fit in, and B, because they're perhaps jealous of their appearance. And what Harry Baker really makes us think about is when you are in a time of need and when you find that you lack that confidence, the best way to go through that is to accept yourself, to find that confidence and be happy with who you are. So having a positive outlook is the main message of the story that Harry Baker conveys. And in the end, there is this little triumphant ending where the sun meets someone named Little Miss Sunshine. So you're going to see that poem take a turn. I hope you guys enjoy it and take a look.